The heat, I would say it's what I'm feeling. I'm standing 20 feet away, about 130, 140 degrees Fahrenheit. And it's advancing to us. I think it's faster than a turtle can move, but less than a mile per hour. And again, I'm still on Makame, backing up towards Kahukai. That's my crazy neighbor. Get away! Don't get so close. Would you get away from there?
I gotta stop.
I thought you were smart. Come on.
That was smart. Wow. I gotta go. The lava's coming fast. Let me tell you, they drop these lines on us.
Notice what it's doing to the trees over here. Just barreling its way through. Let's see, this is around 9 o'clock, May 6th, 2018. Is it the 6th or the 7th? It's the 6th. I know it may get boring after a little while to keep seeing the same thing, but I mean, speechless. Thank goodness the wind's blowing the opposite direction. Okay, hopefully more updates to